Alright, we are at the Residence Inn by Marriott in downtown Tampa, Florida, and we're going to ride the elevators. You may remember that these used to be ThyssenDovers, but they got modded. Alright, let's go. 7. They used to be ThyssenDovers, they're Kone now. The elevator is pretty quiet. Here at 7, you can see it's still got the old brails. So as you can see, these elevators do not look anything like what they used to. They were originally installed in, I believe, 2000. And 21 years later, here they are. I believe they got modded last year. Here's your cab view. So yeah, this almost looks like a brand new elevator, although obviously this is not a brand new hotel. Let's ride the other one if we can. Here's your certificate, by the way. Send it up.
Yeah, that's me. I know, right? It's, of course, it like has to be that moment that like takes the first thing
Here it is. So let's go to 7. This elevator does not have a rear door. Here at 7. Also, as you step outside here, you'll see downtown Tampa and the Courtyard by Marriott next door. Let's call it. There's your hotel corridor, as you can see. Now let's ride it down the 1. Here's your cab view. So it's a similar cab to the other car, except there is no rear door. Here's your certificate. And this elevator opens up to a desk, which no one's at right now, but usually there is someone there. So, there it goes, and that'll be it.